Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Are you seeing the frustrating Siege error code 40FF0B25? This particular message usually means your game is having trouble connecting to Ubisoft servers, often due to network issues on your end. It's a common hurdle, but thankfully, there are several effective solutions to get you back into the action. We're going to walk through them step by step, making it easy to troubleshoot and resolve this problem. Let's begin with the basics, starting right at your network connection. First, confirm your internet is stable and performing well, maybe run a quick speed test. Then, try power cycling your router and modem. Simply unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This often resolves minor network hiccups. For the most stable connection, always choose a wired Ethernet cable over Wi-Fi if possible, as it significantly reduces latency and disconnections. Now, let's look at the game itself. It's crucial to verify your game files through Steam or Ubisoft Connect. This process checks for corrupted or missing data, automatically fixing anything amiss. Additionally, always make sure both Rainbow Six Siege and your game launcher, like Ubisoft Connect, are fully updated. Finally, a quick trick is to clear your Ubisoft Connect cache. This can often resolve strange loading or connection errors, providing a fresh start for the game. If basic steps haven't worked, let's try some more advanced network adjustments. Consider changing your DNS servers to public ones, like Google's 8.8.8.8. This can sometimes improve connection stability and speed. Also, check your firewall and antivirus software. They might be inadvertently blocking Siege, so try temporarily disabling them to test. Finally, ensure that the specific network ports required for Rainbow Six Siege are properly forwarded on your router, which can facilitate a smoother connection. Should the error still plague you after trying these steps, a complete reinstallation of Rainbow Six Siege might be your best bet. It's time-consuming, but often resolves deep-seated file corruption. If all else fails, your next step is to contact Ubisoft support. Provide them with as much detail as possible, including the error code and steps you've already taken. With a little patience, you'll be back defending or attacking objectives in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.